Hi, Beck from Beck D Kahuna Massage. So I have 4 spots left for my Access Bars class, November 23rd, Saturday, November 23rd. Why would you do this class? So one, you'll learn how to run access bars, which are 32 points on the head, 16 on either side, that hold electromagnetic charges over our thoughts, beliefs, considerations, points of view that we've taken on through our lifetime and that hold us back in many ways. You'll learn the bars, you'll learn lots of tools to change any area of your life that you choose to, and you will also get your bars run twice during the class. People find it very relaxing. There are many different responses because it's so unique. Some people just feel very relaxed, like they had a great massage. Some people, their whole life changes. So after my first bars class, my insomnia that I had had for 20 years seemed to dissipate. I started sleeping really well. And so that was a really big thing for me. It also really helped me let go of some of the limitations, some of the limiting thoughts I had about myself, that I couldn't do this or I couldn't do that, that I would never be good enough for this or never be good enough for that. So I found my confidence really came to the fore, I guess I would say, that I never had before. And removing these types of limitations for me personally meant that I was able to step out in my business and start to create the life that I really desired, which was to be self-employed, to pay myself a wage, a living wage, and to build a business where I shared the things that helped me get my health better with others. So that's what it did for me. I have since taught the class several times and seen amazing results. So some of these ladies are willing to share their results with you, so just hang in there and just have a look and hear from them. So you'll get to run the bars twice during the class, you'll receive the bars twice during the class. It's a hands-on class, it's a certificate class. You will come out of it a bars practitioner, so you can look to build yourself a little part-time income or a full-time income like myself. We'll talk about all of these things in the class, and I'll get to share more of my journey and how the bars has changed my life.
Just a lot of happiness and good results from it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So you're glad you invested that
Absolutely.
money to do the class? Thank you so much.
No, thank you. It was really good.
It was I was so much more at peace and so much more happier that I decided to do the class. But it was probably about 3 or 4 days after the bars that I suddenly thought, wow, I actually feel quite calm. And I cannot strongly enough say that I am a completely different person. I feel my head is not full of this tenseness and my anxiety has gone. Maybe 2 weeks after the bars class, and I suddenly thought to myself, wow, I haven't had anxiety. I haven't had that in my throat. I cannot strongly enough say that had I not done this, I wouldn't be where I am now. Just do something you would never usually do before. Take a risk. I am a different person. And I am so grateful that I chose to continue.
So you would say the $360 for the class was well worth investing?
Definitely, 100%. You know what? The bars is about helping.
It's about helping people.
Yes.
I think that the space Beck creates is outstanding. So I've done access bars. I'm an access practitioner. I did that with Beck and Sarah.
So I look forward to seeing you in class. If you're interested, just click on the link and register for the class and we'll be in touch. Have a great evening and thanks for your time. Bye.